record it then. I didn't hear nothing.
I didn't hear anything either.
I ain't hear shit.
I ain't got nothing.
Yeah.
Because you ain't got a jump box on it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's dead.
You gotta lower it back down.
Jumper box, yeah. I don't hear nothing. I don't hear a fuel pump.
Yeah.
The key's on now.
Listen, take this gas cap off and listen to it.
Okay, let's go ahead. I don't hear nothing.
Is the new fuel pump bad, maybe? Well, I don't think it was the fuel pump, because there's nothing.